morning from the All-Star Movies food court, where it is very, very loud in here. So if you can hear me, you can hear me. And if not, maybe I'll voice over this. We have used 2 snack credits and a meal credit to get some more food for this morning. Got another loaded tacho bowl. Christian picked a cheese cup for his snack credit because he didn't use his snack credit yesterday. And Bella picked a Mickey Rice Krispie. So we're gonna eat this and then go meet up with Grandma and Matt to go to Magic Kingdom for the day. The other day at Animal Kingdom, I got the peanut butter and jelly s'more from Zuri's Sweet Shop, and I didn't want to take up stomach space, so I put it away. And I forgot to eat it yesterday, so now we're gonna try it out. Excuse the poor angle. It's being held up by the camelback. All right, let's see. Whoa. Nice big marshmallow, layer of jelly.
Are you missing the booze from last night?
No.
That was a good.
That's pretty tasty here. Yeah, because it's got peanuts up on top.
Mm-hmm.
You like peanut butter and jelly. This is really tasty. They had a banana s'more too, but this. The banana one had white chocolate. I approve. TRON has been completed. It's somewhere back there.
Somewhere back there.
Oh, yeah. So TRON was good. Christian, you rode with Matt on the upright seat. And the bike seat's more fun. Daddy and I got to ride together on this for the first time. I don't know what we're doing. We're gonna go find Bella.
Yep.
She's roaming the Magic Kingdom. Yeah, but wreaking havoc, probably. And then lunch.
Yep.
We'll figure something out. And has used his, there's a straw. Has used his snack credit for the day. So have I. We both got the salted caramel cold brew from Anti-Gravity's since we were over in Tomorrowland. The salted caramel ice cream is really good. Right, Christian? Have you tried it? Not just, I mean, the coffee's gonna taste like cold brew, but yum. Now we gotta go meet them in Fantasyland. Yeah? Yep. All right, let's go.
A little song about the menu. So without further ado, here's some musical food you can taste with your ears.
What were you doing while we were off riding TRON?
Shopping mostly.
Did you go on any rides?
Mm-hmm.
Where'd you go on?
Barnstormer and Speedway.
Cool. No Dumbo or anything? Okay, well, I don't know what happened to your hair. It's Wozers. Okay. I think since we're still in Tomorrowland... Okay. There we go. Didn't want to focus for a second. It's like focusing on your glasses. We might go on Space Mountain, everybody who wants to go on. And then maybe... I think that's everything over on this side that we want to do. Maybe we'll head towards Tiana's. You want to do Tiana's?
Yes.
Because it's disgustingly hot outside. Yes. We'll see. We're waiting on food. Right now we're inside Cosmic Rays listening to Sunny Eclipse sing in the background. So it's another no set plans kind of day. Has arrived. I think this is Christian's bacon cheeseburger.
Yep.
Bella got mac and cheese, and we got the same sandwich, right?
Nope, I got grilled.
So this is the fried chicken sandwich,
Yep.
and that is the grilled chicken sandwich. And Grandma got the
sausage ranch salad.
Looks tasty. What did you get? Are those the garlic truffle fries?
Parmesan garlic truffle fries.
Looks tasty.
Good. And also, if you've read the first Kingdom Keepers book, yes, the staircase on the back of Space Mountain is real.
And if you haven't read the first Kingdom Keepers book, read it.
It is quite good.
Yeah, I like Space Mountain, but I don't think my back could take more than one time in a day.
Yep.
Did you have fun, Christian?
Yes.
We're gonna go find Grandma and Bella, and I don't know what we're gonna do.
One hop this time.
Jump.
Right foot, let's stop.
This one.
Left foot, let's stop.
That one.
Cha-cha real smooth.
Cha-cha. Oh yeah.
Turn it out.
This show.
We're on
Permanezca
the train,
sentado y mantenga
and
las
it's
manos,
moving in the
brazos,
wrong
pies y piernas dentro del
direction.
tren
Elena's
y
over
cuide
there.
a los pequeños. Gracias.
Elena of
By now,
Avalor is
you've
over
probably
there.
noticed I'm not just conducting the train today. I'm also conducting a bit of an experiment. You know the old saying, sometimes you have to go backward to go forwards? Well, today we're putting that to the test by heading to Storybook Circus, caboose first. And Tomorrowland is the perfect place for experimentation. That's why I invited my favorite little experiment to ride along with us today. Folks, say hello to Experiment 626. Although you might know him as...
Stitch! Mr. Conductor, can Stitch drive the train? I can do it! Choo-choo! All aboard!
Well, Stitch, I was thinking you could be my co-conductor for a spell and help me tell our passengers about all the wonderful sights and sounds in Tomorrowland.
Yeah! Stitch got this! Welcome to Morrow. To left, Morrow. To right, more Morrow. Stitch, too good?
You're a natural, Stitch.
Thanks. Can Stitch blow the whistle?
Oh, not just yet, my friend. There are so many more exciting things to talk about in Tomorrowland.
More exciting than a whistle?
You bet. You see that astro orbiter, Stitch? From up there in those rockets, you can see everything in Tomorrowland, including the Tomorrowland Speedway.
Oh, but Stitch have no driver's license.
You don't need a license to drive in Tomorrowland, Stitch.
No license? No problem. Stitch loves going fast. Almost as much as Stitch loves to blow the whistle.
If you want to go fast, Stitch, why not race across the grid with Blue on TRON Light Cycle Run?
Team Blue, Stitch is blue.
Stitch, I think you'd make a wonderful addition to the grid.
Yay!
Well, would you look at that? It's almost whistle time! Scurry on down to the other end of the train and use that big old please on the engineer. And don't forget to use those thank yous.
Hey, please! Stitch is coming! Just wait!
Alright folks, just a friendly reminder, if you do have little ones on board, make sure they remain seated at this time while the train is in motion. Thank you.
Thank you!
Well done, Stitch. Say, you want to stick around and help me introduce these fine folks to Storybook Circus? I think you'll love it, Stitch. You'll see great feats of strength.
Oh, Stitch is strong. Watch!
Animals of all shapes and sizes.
Oh, are they cute and fluffy?
You bet your bottom dollar. There are even elephants with ears so large they can fly as high as the rockets we just left behind.
Flying elephants?
At Storybook Circus and in Tomorrowland, anything is possible.
Ooh, maybe Stitch joins circus.
Sounds like you've got some experimenting to do.
Come on!
So long, Stitch.
look, there's guy and stick.
Yeah. Did you guys like watching the jugglers? Yeah.
And the unicycle.
That was fun, huh? I recorded a decent amount of it.
Bella got to hold a spinning plate.
Yeah, I recorded that too. Yep. I literally have no idea where we're going besides walking towards the exit of Storybook Circus. No clue. Or maybe not, because the kids want to like run through here.
Yeah, things like
Water. Yeah, it's a water wheel. You want to live in a tree house?
Yeah, a tree house, just like.
Yeah. I mean, got food.
And a good old Lenten steel. And I'm pretty sure that this water.
I still have a case of this stuff in my work van.
Bella, what you eating?
Cheesy bread.
Yeah, we got the secret menu cheesy bread appetizer.
It's a secret.
How is it? Is it kind of like Brazilian cheese bread?
This is the steak and fries. Christian got the chicken with potatoes and French fries.
Bella got chicken, and her dish looks very empty because she got desserts as both of her sides. And I got Nile Nellie's noodle bowl, mostly because it's got tamarind sauce in it. So Bella got the volcano cake and the chocolate banana slices. I got the malva pudding cake. Christian got something chocolatey, and so did Daddy.
It's going on the same credit card either way.